Hello, this is Joan Rivers back for one night only because it's such an amazing night. It's the 25th anniversary of Arts United here at Dennis Dean Gallery.
Events like this with Arts United is what's part of the emotion, part of the character of this city. Those are the kind of things that make our city unique from other cities in the country.
The arts in Wilton Manors are just so important for our community. It's the bedrock of what we do here. And every day we strive to make our city better. And the arts and entertainment district and just the arts in general are just so very important to us all.
Arts United does incredible work, and we're so proud to have them. Our city is in the process of adopting a public art policy.
Hi, I'm Michael Kraft, and I'm one of the members of Arts United, and very excited to be here for Arts United's 25th anniversary.
These are the hardest working people you may ever meet. They are friends of the artists and they support you on and on.
So it's really the center of the art world here in South Florida right now, and it's expanding every day.